I have a new, brand new, just out of the box, Shark PowerDetect. There it is there. Try to vacuum this ruggable rug. As you see, this happens. It pulls it up from the backing, which isn't any use. It also goes red, which means it's not working, the two lights at the front. No matter whether you've got it on carpet, whether you've got it on the auto detect or on the hard floor, it doesn't work. So that's not any use to anybody. It's going back. I'll show. Ear noise.